Good morning, grade 2s. Today we're going to continue doing patterns. We're going to pick up from yesterday and just carry on. Does anybody remember what patterns are? Patterns are something that is arranged in such a way that it follows a rule. So today I'm going to teach you how to find the rule of patterns. So to start off, we're going to count in twos. We're going to clap 5 times as we count. So everybody count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What's the next number? The next number is 12. You know this because you just add 2 to the 10. So now we're going to count in threes. We're going to count 5 times, clap 5 times, and then I'll ask you what's the next number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What's the next number? The next number is 18. You know this because you just added 3 to the 15. And now we're going to count in fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Our next number is 30. You know this because you added 5 to the last number and the last number was 25. So you got 30. So now we're going to use our 100 chart to color in, like to do our patterns. So for this exercise, you're going to count in twos. And every number that you count, you're going to circle it with your green crayon. Everybody should have a green crayon. It doesn't matter if you use a dark green or a light green. But you circle all the numbers that you count when you count in twos from 2 up to 100. You circle with your green crayon. And then the next number that we're going to count is threes. Every number that you count when counting in threes, you're going to color in with a green. No, we circled with green, so you're going to color with a yellow crayon. And then for our fives, every number that you count when you count in fives, you're going to draw a square around the block, like here. You're going to draw a square with a red crayon. And then all the numbers that you maybe circle, if you have a number where you've circled it and it has a square as well, or you've circled it and you've colored it in, if it has more than 2, if the number appears in more than 2 patterns, you're going to write down the number. So now we have the pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. We're going to use a number line to find the rule of the pattern. I'm going to teach you how to find the rule of a pattern. So we are first going to draw our number line. And our first number is 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make it longer. 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So our first number is 1. Let's circle 1. And our second number is 3. So now you're going to jump from 1 to 3. Our third number is 5. Our fourth number is 7. You're going to jump to 7. Our fifth number is 9. Jump to 9. Our sixth number is 11. And our seventh number is 13. So you're going to count from 1 to 3. 1, say 1 out aloud, then count 2, 3. That means between the two numbers is 2. Between 1 and 3 is 2. and then you're going to count from 3 to 5. You say 3 out loud. 3, 4, 5. So between 3 and 5 is 2. So let's try somewhere else. Between 9 and 11. I'm going to say 9 out loud. 9, 10, 11. So you see, for all our numbers, the rule is 2. So our rule for this pattern is 2, which means that even for 11 and 13, you'll get 2. It should be 2 because that's the rule. So let's try it. 11, 12, 13. So you see, our rule for this pattern is 2. With this pattern, our numbers get bigger. So to find the number rule, we're going to first start by drawing a number line. Our first number is 5, 11, 17, 23, 29, 35, and 41. That's our last number. But how about we do something different? Now we're going to find what comes next after 41. So to find the number rule, we're going to start by counting from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6. From here to here is 6. Okay, let's try it from in the middle. From 23 to 29. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So our rule here is also 6. 6. So it means that the rule for this pattern is 6. Let's try it for the last time from 35 to 41. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. And it's 6 again. Which means that the rule for this pattern is 6. So now, like I said, we're going to find the next number. So now it means that we're going to count from 41. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. The next number for this pattern is 47. That's the next number for this pattern. And we know this because we found the rule for this pattern. The rule for the pattern is 6. When you do it in your workbooks, you're going to, after you find the rule for the pattern, you write the sentence, the rule for the pattern is 6. For our last pattern, we have 45, 40, 35, 30, and 25. So, to find the rule for this pattern, we're going to use our number line. Again, we're always going to use our number line because it helps us find the rule. 45, 40, 35, 30, 25. And then we're going to find the next two numbers using the rule. So we're going to start off by counting from 40 to 45 to find the rule for this pattern. Say 40 out loud and then count. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. The rule for this pattern is 5. You subtract 5 because your numbers keep getting smaller. So we're going to try it from the middle, from 30 to 35. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. It's the same. You subtract 5 to get 30 from 35. We're going to do the same thing here from 30 to 25. 30. Oh, now we're going to count backwards. It's another way you can do it. 30, 20. We're going to 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. So you subtract 5, and we can count it from 25 to 30. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So it's still the same way. It's 5. So now we're going to find the next number using our rule. We're going to move from 25 because that's the number we know. 25, 24. We're counting backwards. 23, 22, 21, 20. So our next number is 20. And the number after 15, to find it, we're going to use the same rule, the same method. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Well done. So our last number is 15. And just to make sure that our rule is correct, we're going to count from 15 to 20. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's 5. So you see, grade 2s, it doesn't matter whether you count from 20 going to 15 or from 15 going to 20. Your rule stays the same. Your rule is 5. So I said that we're gonna write out the sentence. I want everybody to write out the sentence in their workbooks when I give you the worksheets. The rule, and you must write neatly, please. The rule for this pattern is 5. You put your minus sign there. Is minus 5. So I hope that everybody understands how to find the rule. Everybody knows how to find the rule now that we've done 4 examples. So now I'm going to give you 2 worksheets to do. On the first worksheet, you will identify the number pattern. You're going to do it in your books. You're going to start out by writing it the way I did here, and then you're going to use your number line to find the rule of this pattern and then fill it. You're lucky because this worksheet has number lines for you. You follow the instructions. So it says that you add hops to show the rule for this number line. So you're going to use your number line to find the rule. You start at 6, and then it says add 2 each time, which means that your rule is 2 for this number line. So you're going to do the other ones. Now I'm going to give everybody the worksheets, and you're going to do the worksheets now.